At this point, I've made tons of electronics projects, but they don't seem to have helped my physique, so let's fix that. Now obviously, whatever we make it can't do the work for us, or it would defeat the point, but I've noticed that when I'm trying to do 20 bicep curls, I often lose track somewhere in the middle. So what we can do is build something that will count how many reps we've done and tell us that number after each rep. Something like this.
1 rep complete. 2 reps complete. 3 reps complete.
But how do we do that? Well, it should be pretty easy. Obviously, we'll need a button that gets pressed when we do each rep, and I was going to use an Arduino board, a speaker driver, and an SD card reader so we could play a bunch of sounds when the button is pressed, but then I realized we could do it all with just a DF player. A DF player is a device that takes an SD card and plays sounds from it, and it can either be controlled by an Arduino, or we can use it like an MP3 player by connecting buttons to these different pins. And in our case, we just want to have 20 audio files that play one after another. So all we have to do is power the DF player with some batteries, connect a button to the next track pin, which is this one, load up our SD card with all of those files, plug that into our DF player, and now every time we press the button, it plays the next audio file. Test 1, test 2, test 3. And if we switch the SD card to have our final set of audio tracks, then...
That's 1 rep. You know how many are left? 19. 2 reps. My grandma could do better than that. That's 10. You know what that is? Failure. Let's see 10 more. 11. If you stop now, you'll never be able to look your mother in the eye again. 13. That's enough to be able to carry 2 people out of a burning belly on your back. Not a chance. That's 20. Now let's see 20 more. Go, go, go.
If you want to see another fun electronics build, check out this video right here. It's a good one.